So, I don't want to seem too forward or anything, but, do you fart? I mean, we've been together for a little minute now, spent a lot of time together, and I don't think I've ever heard you fart once. Not that I'm trying to hear you fart, I'm just saying, you know, it's a human thing. People fart all the time, I fart, you hear me fart, you smell me fart. And do you even shit?
Yes, I shit. Yes, I fart. Yes, it happens. But not in front of you.
3 weeks later.
Oh yeah?
That was hot on my leg!
Yeah. Who's gonna be out? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hell no. Hell no.
Hey, do you like my prank and funny videos? Why not click subscribe, and smash that bell button, and we can tell you about every new video we post. If you want to support my channel, that's great, you can buy me a coffee. Just click on the link in the description below.